Expectation is the root of all headache. Many marriages are not suffering today because love is absent, but because something else is silently present. And that is unspoken expectation, which is expectations that are not expressed. Welcome to BlissHills Relationship Marital Hub, where we uncover truth that restore peace and love in your home. And I'm Hilary Usoha, your faith-based relationship and marriage coach. Our topic of teaching today is unspoken expectations in marriage. And we shall be focusing on how to rebuild love through clear communication. Unspoken expectations are emotional landmines. You love your spouse and assume they know what you need, but most often they don't. And when those needs go unmet, frustration builds up. Now, the problem is simple. What you don't say is what silently wrecks your marriage. What you don't say, you don't express, silently, secretly, are the things that are wrecking your marriage. Most couples carry expectations that were never voiced out. You expect your partner to understand your silence. You expect your partner to understand what is in your mind. You expect your partner to read your body language. You expect your partner to automatically know what makes you happy. But love doesn't thrive on assumptions. I want you to know this. Rather, it grows in clarity. Start this way by asking yourself, what do I expect from my spouse emotionally, practically, or intimately? Ask yourself these important questions. Ask yourself, have I ever clearly said it out loud? Have I ever said it out? If not, it's time to do so. It's time to begin to do it this way. Now, speak it with love, not in complaint, but in a tone that builds connection. Try saying something like, I feel more supported when so and so is done. Or it helps me feel loved when you do so and so. You can try it out that way. What seems obvious to you, I want you to understand, may not be obvious to your spouse. You need to understand this. Therefore, stop expecting them to read your mind. Stop expecting your spouse to know what is running or going through in your mind. Instead, invite them into your thoughts and needs. Yes, that can help. That can go a long way in helping the situation. Now, here is something you can try today. You can try it out, you and your partner. Each day, you can try this out. Now, you and your partner, each day, try write down 3 things you wish the other did more. Now, exchange this list and talk through them gently. Talk through them gently with open hearts. And you'll be surprised at what both of you assumed. It can go a long way in helping. And I want you to understand that unspoken expectations destroy emotional intimacy. Nothing destroys it like unspoken expectations. But unspoken expectations build bridges of understanding. So I mean, unspoken expectations destroy intimacy, but when you speak it out. When your expectations are spoken out, it can go a long way to build bridges of understanding. Say it out. Don't assume it. Don't just think it. Speak it out. The difference here, the difference in what I'm talking about here is just communication. Just communication. And nothing builds marriages, nothing makes marriages last like this communication. Now, if this teaching had actually spoken to you, share it with someone who also needs this message. And also, don't forget to leave a message at the comment section saying something like, "No more silent expectations." And let us know what you plan to start saying out loud from today. Please drop a comment on the comment section so that I will know that you join us in this teaching series up to this point. Like, subscribe, and also hit the notification bell, and so you don't miss any of our teachings. Remember, this platform remains BlissHills Relationship and Marital Hub. As I round off, learn to speak it before you assume it. Love before it's too late. The Lord bless you. See you in our next video. Goodbye.